Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Today I'm going to show you a video of day 4 and 5 working by myself. Now this first day, the concrete, I had it all cleaned off. So this left side, or that wall that I'm working on right there, it has one window in it and one door. And I also ended up getting a new nail gun, which I was really happy with. My nail guns, my big nail guns, were 20 years old and they stopped working. They weren't working very good. They need to be rebuilt, and I just didn't have time to try to do that. So I got a new Senko 325 and it worked really well. I was really happy with it. Right here, I'm nailing off the south, or the, let's see, what is that? South, north, I don't know. I think it's the north side wall. And basically right here, I'm getting it all nailed down. Now you can see the concrete's all pretty clean, and I cleaned all that off over like the week prior, and then it snowed on me again, and then I had to clean it off again, and yeah, it's been a challenge. Now right here, I'm finishing up this section. Now I've decided to put this together in two sections. This section with the window in it, and then a smaller section with the door in it. Right there, I'm putting the cripples and the sills on. Right there's the trimmer, or the sill, and then I put the trimmers on. I like framing. I don't have, I'm not the best in the world, but I do enjoy it. And yeah, I couldn't really probably do it for a living anymore just because of my back, but I did enjoy this day. So basically what happened was, so I spent the day and I actually got quite a bit done. I got this whole wall done and I ended up quitting pretty early. But actually I got that whole side done, the window and door section of this wall, and basically got it all prepared. And that was all I did on day 4 of the build. Yeah, my back started hurting, so I just quit early. But my idea was, even though I hired these framers to build this, to basically throw this up for me, I didn't want to depend on them. I mean, they can only work Saturday and Sunday, and it just, I want to make sure and get this thing up. I got trusses coming this following week. So today's Wednesday, and the following week on Thursday I'm going to get my trusses. So this coming weekend I got to have this box completely done, and by me building all these walls, when they show up, they should be pretty happy that they can, they'll just be raising walls on Saturday and Sunday and sheeting and putting the hardware on. Nailing up the straps and the different hardware. And then the next week, hopefully we'll be able to put the trusses up in one weekend. That's the goal. I don't know if it'll happen. So far, goals haven't really panned out with the snow, but I've got clear weather coming right now. And yeah, we should have really nice weather for this coming weekend. And I just got to you'll see in a few minutes that, so this day was really nice, and I was able to get this whole side done. But you will see when I start building the next wall, the whole place is buried in snow. Like 2 inches of snow buried my whole slab again. So Wednesday night, so today, this right here you're watching Wednesday, and it snows that night. And here you can see the next day. Actually, this was the next day. So I had to clear a bunch of snow out to be able to do any framing down here. I did have I had both sidewalls framed at this point, and right here I'm working on cutting all the studs for the front walls. And the studs are a little shorter to allow for the garage header. I've got a 11 and 7/8 Paralam, 5.5 by 11 and 7/8 Paralam that goes across the whole front of this garage. They're, yeah, it's gonna there's two beams that'll meet in the middle. And right here I'm just cutting all the studs for these front pieces. And it was cold, but I just plugged along and had my earphones on, listened to some music, and yeah, it went pretty good. You can see right there I'm having a shovel around. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have, actually, I get all these walls done today. All the front ones, get them all nailed off. And basically the next day what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around the whole perimeter and make sure and clean off all the snow and get it ready for the guys. So this is Thursday, and I'm basically going to finish up all these walls today. They won't be sheeted, but they'll all be framed and ready to go. And yeah. Anyway, yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. I'll put on a little music, and yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Check out our little store where we make, if you want to support the channel, buy a little cutting board. And we sell the cutting boards at outlawwoodworking.bigcartel.com. Yeah, it's just something fun to do. And they're really nice. They're solid walnut, maple, and cherry. And there's different ones on there. We also have some of our epoxy artwork on there. And yeah, I just shipped off a couple cutting boards to California yesterday. The Pamplemousse cutting boards. Anyway, yeah, thanks again for watching. Please subscribe, ring the bell, like the video, and I will see you next time. Later.